Welcome to English News Bulletin of Hallabol. This is Rashmi here with you. Before moving to the details, let us have a look at the day's headlines. Russia to become first country in the world to grant regulatory approval for the COVID-19 vaccine. Congress once again hits the Modi-led central government on the China intervention issues. Massive raid at hotels and restaurants of Agartala, hygiene license and documents checked, many businesses seized. Tripura Pradesh Youth Congress workers demanded removal of Pujan Biswas from the post of Pradesh Youth Congress interim president. Now the news in details. Russia registers the world's first coronavirus vaccine. Putin says his daughter was given a shot. President Vladimir Putin said on Tuesday that Russia had become the first country in the world to grant regulatory approval to a COVID-19 vaccine after less than 2 months of human testing, a move hailed by Moscow as evidence of its scientific powers. The vaccine still has to complete final trials, raising concerns among some experts at the speed of its approval. But the Russian business conglomerate Systema said that it expects to put it into mass production by the end of the year. According to information, Russian health workers treating COVID-19 patients will be offered the chance of volunteering to be vaccinated in the coming weeks. The vaccine will be marketed under the name of Sputnik V on foreign markets. Speaking at a government meeting on the state television, Putin dismissed all the concerns, saying that the vaccine developed by Moscow's Gamaleya Institute was safe and that it had been administered to one of his daughters. More than 100 possible vaccines are being developed around the world to try to stop COVID-19 pandemic. At least 4 are in final phase 3 human trials according to the WHO data. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Congress slammed the Modi-led BJP government in the centre, said the Modi government has been able to do nothing about Chinese intervention. Further added that this is a disservice by the BJP government towards the national security and martyrdom of the Veer Jawans. The BJP government does not care about Indian soldiers or about national security. The Congress once again took a jibe on the BJP-led central government amidst the Right Now program with the hashtag Throw Out China. The Congress said after 2 months since 20 troops including a commanding officer were brutally martyred by the Chinese at Galwan Valley, this had been one of the highest tensions at the Indo-China border which had spiked since the year 1962. It was the most serious national security crisis since the Kargil war in the year 1999. In a violent scuffle that broke out between China and India on 5th of May at Pangong So, it all started from the very day. Despite that, India awarded a contract worth rupees 1,126 crore to a Chinese multinational company for an underground stretch of the Delhi-Meerut regional rapid transit system on 12th of June. After 2 days, Minister Rajnath Singh said that China is ready to resolve the issue through dialogue. However, Rajnath Singh couldn't be more wrong. On 15th or 16th of June, the Chinese went on to attack Indian soldiers at the Galwan Valley after they entered Indian national territory, which Prime Minister Narendra Modi completely denied and then tried to give a different meaning to Narendra Modi's insensitive statement, condemned Indian National Congress. According to the Congress, the China now claims that all military discussions are over as they have retreated. However, in reality, they have only disengaged to remain in Pangong So, Gogra and Deepsang. Besides, as of 28th of July, China doubled its fighter jets on the border. Congress slammed the Modi government, saying that even after 3 months since the first Chinese aggression and 6 military meetings between both sides, the Modi government has not been able to do anything about Chinese intervention. They further claimed India's present Prime Minister Modi is still unable to find the courage to say China Indian National Congress condemned the Modi government further, saying that this is a great disservice by the BJP government towards the national security and martyrdom of the brave Jawans. They further alleged the BJP only cares about dividing people within the country and making enemies out of dissenters. Bureau Report, Halabol. Administrative raids in Agartala hotels, restaurants, many businesses seized. Action underway for serving unhygienic expired items, unhealthy cooked food. In a sudden raid led by SDM Oshim Shaha across Agartala city on Tuesday morning, the administrative team checked hygiene, proper papers and documents, licenses, along with to check whether lockdown rules hygiene are followed properly or not. Many shops were temporarily sealed after non-hygienic situations were witnessed and needed documents could not be shown by the owners. Prior to Tuesday's drive, SDM Oshim Shaha led many raids where businessmen were warned again and again. Earlier also, task force had made documents like licenses displaying in the shops mandatory, but still many were found violating the laws. Also, guidelines were given to seal the food packets properly before these are sold out. On this issue, SDM Shodor Oshim Shaha said,
এটা তো জারি থাকবে। আগেও দেখেছেন আমরা বিভিন্ন কাজের মধ্যে এটা আমরা প্রাধান্য দিয়ে থাকি যে হেলথ হ্যাজার্ডস এটা আমরা করতে দেব না, যে স্বাস্থ্য মানুষের সম্পদ এবং এটাকে নিয়ে ব্যবসায়ীরা ছিনিমিনি খেলবে এটা আমরা করতে দেব না।
The Food and Excise Department officials said that such raids will be continued in different parts across the capital to check the quality of food and the other stuffs in this period of world pandemic. Tuesday, the food inspectors and other officials raided the market to check the authenticity of the essential commodities prices and quality. Bureau Report, Halabol. State Youth Congress workers demanded the Congress High Command to remove Pujan Biswas from the post of Pradesh Youth Congress interim president, alleging that he is an alcoholic and drug addict who is giving wrong message to the society. Few Facebook posts has got amplified over the social media platform where one Najrul Ali raised several allegations on Pradesh Youth Congress interim president Pujan Biswas. The Facebook post read, Pujan Biswas, Pradesh Youth Congress interim president, is an alcoholic and drug addict. The Facebook user urged the Youth Congress workers and members of Pradesh Youth Congress to stay away from Pujan Biswas, alleging that Tripura Pradesh Youth Congress interim president Pujan Biswas would make them drug addicted too. The Facebook user also asked the Congress High Command to remove Pujan Biswas from his post for the sake of the State Youth Congress organization. The Facebook post contained pictures of Pradesh Youth Congress interim president Pujan Biswas along with stack of various brands of alcohol like Royal Stag, Signature, Blender Sprite, etc. and with another picture where he was sitting with few BJP activists at a bar cum restaurant. After the post got viral over social media, people have been commenting being the head of the Pradesh Youth Congress, Pujan Biswas is giving wrong message to the youth of the state. Also, comments could be heard where people criticized such a dignityless person can't hold a position in the Pradesh Youth Congress. This issue, Pradesh Youth Congress Party worker Nilanchan Das lodged an FIR at the West Agartala police station on Tuesday. Talking to the media persons, he said the post published on social media Facebook account contains defamatory statement. He further commented that it is a conspiracy framed by the miscreants holding the hands of the BJP party.
কারণ আমাদের ফেসবুকে দেখলাম যে আমাদের যে ত্রিপুরা প্রদেশ কংগ্রেস ইউথ কংগ্রেসের যে প্রেসিডেন্ট আছে শ্রী পুজন বিশ্বাস, ওনাকে ট্যাগ করে একটা পোস্ট করা হয়েছে যেটাতে বলা হচ্ছে নাকি যে উনি মানে ডিফেমেটরি স্টেটমেন্ট আছে এটার মধ্যে এবং কিছু ছবি আপলোড করা হয়েছে। একটা স্টেপ নিচ্ছি, আমরা আজকে একটা এফআইআর লঞ্চ করতে চলেছি।
However, the Facebook post which read that Pradesh Youth Congress workers are ashamed of Pujan Biswas triggered a huge resentment in the state politics. As Pradesh Youth Congress interim president, Pujan Biswas is the son of Piyush Biswas, who is the Pradesh Congress acting president. States Congress party leaders, members and workers are afraid to comment on this issue. Bureau Report, Halabol. Well, that's all from the English desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Halabol.